Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Tita Bang, aka BeautyByNV. Y'all probably don't even know my name. But anyways, today I'm gonna film another look for you guys. I've been very inspired lately. Like, I have so many screenshots of makeup looks that I want to do that I've been very inspired to do so. And right now the look that I'm doing is inspired by Makeup by Alina. Most of my looks are very inspired by her, or like recreations of her looks. So that's what we're doing today. So today's eyebrow, I'm gonna use the NYX Precision Brow Pencil, and this one is the shade Ash Brown. Normally I use taupe, but I accidentally picked this one up. I thought it was taupe, but I guess it's ash brown. Or maybe my taupe one disappeared somewhere. But yeah, I'm gonna use the shade Ash Brown today. It's a bit darker than what I like, but our roots are pretty dark, so it's fine, you know, fine. If you guys want like an updated brow video, I could do that too. I do have one, but I think some of the products I'm using right now is a little bit different. The technique is kind of the same. It's just every time I do my eyebrows, they look different. And also the products I use is not always the same. So my favorite concealer brush is the Crown Precision Eye Detail Brush C467. I just feel like it's the perfect brush for concealing your brows. I just feel like it's perfect. I'm just taking some Tarte concealer and just, you know, cleaning my brows because they look janky right now. And I'm also gonna prime my eyes with my concealer. So now I'm gonna set my brows with the e.l.f. Brow Gel, old school favorite. They didn't have what I normally use, which is the Rimmel one. So I decided to get this one. And it doesn't... no. I'm gonna take the Morphe Dare to Create palette. And we're gonna take this shade up here, right here. That shade right there, that's called Create. And that's just gonna be my crease color. I'm gonna bring it pretty high, but I'm not gonna bring it that high. Okay, so it doesn't have to be neat right now. We're gonna throw a bunch of different colors on top of it anyways, so yeah, it doesn't have to be neat right now, okay? Now I'm taking the Morphe 15N palette. So it's the purple one with the purple shades in it. And I'm taking the darkest purple shade, which is called Scene, right here. And I'm gonna place it in the inner and the outer corner of my eye. We're not going to touch the center of the lid. Now we're going to go in with our crease color again and just blend it all together. Just blending it in with the purple. I'm going to take some LA Girl Pro Concealer. This one is in the shade Classic Ivory. So I'm going to use that to cut it right here in the center. And now I'm going to use a brush to pat it in and set it. So I'm going to take some of the dark purple and blend it in to the concealer. And now I'm going to go back in with our crease color, or basically just using my brush, not picking up any color, and just blending out the dark purple. Okay, so as you can see, I already did the right eye. So the purple actually goes around the green, like on the top. So that's what I did. So the green is from the Morphe Dare to Create palette. I mixed two colors. I mixed this one right here, as well as this one at the end right here. I mixed those two. I went with the more greener one, and then I went on top of it with the more yellowy, kind of like army-ish green. So I'm gonna go in with this one first, right where we placed the concealer, and then I'm gonna go in with the more yellowy green right on top of it. And I'm also going to bring it over the green in the crease, so I'm going to bring it up higher, and then we're going to go right around the top. So that's what we have so far. So I'm taking the NYX matte liquid liner, and I'm just going to do a regular wing eyeliner. So I'm going to make my black liner a little bit thicker just because I want my eyeliner to show. So I'm going to thicken it up a little bit more. So now we're going to do the glitter liner with the Stila glitter and go right on top of the black. So this is what we should have so far. I'm gonna go do my face makeup off camera, and then we'll be back. If you guys want to see a full updated foundation routine, I will go ahead and do one if you guys want to see it. I have a mini one on my Instagram if you want to go over there and look at it. I'll leave my name right here. So yeah, BRB. Okay, so I finished my face makeup. Now we're gonna move on to I was gonna apply lashes, I forgot. So for the bottom lashes, or the bottom lash line, we're gonna use the same colors. We're gonna use the dark purple. I'm gonna use that same dark purple with the same brush, and I'm gonna bring it down here to my lash line. I'm gonna blend it with the crease color, that purpley pinky color from the Morphe Dare to Create palette. I'm gonna tightline the top and bottom waterline. So this is by Cover FX. It is their Shimmer Veil, I guess liquid eyeshadow in the shade Amethyst. And it's actually really pretty. So I'm gonna, oh, look at that. So now for bottom mascara, I'm taking the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. I'm telling y'all, this mascara is so good. Okay, so the last thing for the eyes is to pop them, is to pop on some lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and apply on some falsies, which I don't know which one I'm gonna go with. Okay, so I popped on some lashes. I'm wearing the Morphe Romancing lashes. I'm obsessed with these lashes, like super obsessed with these lashes. But for lips, I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Cool Girl. So I'm taking my all-nighter spray and we're just gonna set everything in place. That completes the look. I hope you guys liked the way it turned out, liked my recreation of Makeup by Alina's look. It's definitely not as good as hers, but I feel like I did a pretty good job at recreating it. So if you guys think the same thing as well, that I did a good job or whatever, go ahead and thumbs up this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram for more pictures of, you know, makeup looks like this, and as well as mini IG tutorials. Sometimes I put like previews of videos that I'm gonna upload on there. So yeah, just go ahead and, you know, follow all that, do all that, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.